function d. The diagram below shows the graph of y equals to fx. Okay, so some fancy graph. It seems like there's an asymptote there somewhere, and there's maybe two even. I think one of them is vertical, and then there's a vertical asymptote somewhere here, and then this is an oblique asymptote, isn't it? Is that how you spell it? I mean, OBLYQUE or something. Okay, it doesn't matter. Just how the graph looks like. And the graph of the function y equals negative x is shown in which of the following diagrams? Okay, so it's just a graph transformation question. Yeah? So what do? So there are two transformations going on. This guy inside the brackets is a reflection of a y-axis. Standard A-level stuff. Doesn't need much explanation. And then the guy outside is a reflection on the x-axis. Okay, so basically the combination of these two transformations is basically a rotation 180 degrees, right? It's just a rotation 180 degrees. You could prove that by matrices or just by thinking about it. Yeah? And the order doesn't matter either. Yeah? They commute because one is dealing with the x side and one is dealing with the y side of things. Yeah. So you could commute these two transformations. The transformations that you can't commute is, for example, like f of 3x plus 2, for example, right? You must do the plus 2 before the times 3. Yeah? If you do the times 3 before the plus 2, then you get something like this, which is a different story, right? Because it gets 3x plus 6 instead. Yeah? So if both the transformations deal with the same dimension, I suppose, then you got to be careful of the order. Yeah? But now, in this question, it doesn't matter. Okay, so I mean, if you realize that it's actually a rotation 180 degrees, then straight off you know the answer is C, right? I mean, it's not too bad from there. But you could also do the transformations one by one. You could also see that it should be option C. Yeah. So I mean, there's no point of me drawing the intermediate graphs, because it's quite easy to visualize this, I think. So there you go. Yeah, option C.